You shouldn't have come here, Chowder.
Oh, hi, Gorgonzola.
You should have stayed in the kitchen, where you belong.
That's what I told Mom.
You think you can just walk in here and show me up? Well, do you? Huh? Huh? Do you? Do you? Huh? Huh? Well, Sniffleball is my thing, and I worked very hard to get where I am.
Hey, Bat Boy, where's my bat?